Welcome to the Monday edition of Tech Stocks Daily. Buckle up as we dive into the hottest tech happenings shaking up the NASDAQ. First, we've got Apple gearing up for a diverse AI future, potentially collaborating with Alibaba and venturing into new hardware realms. Microsoft, meanwhile, is revolutionizing the SMB space through a vibrant AI partnership with Pax 8 and venturing deeper into portable gaming with its shiny ROG Xbox Ally. Oh, and did someone mention Intuit? They've been cruising on the stock momentum highway, leaving the S&P 500 in the dust and showing compelling growth. Stick around as we break down today's tech moves, market insights, and what it all means for your portfolio. Ready to tech out? Let's go. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the Apple saga that's got everyone buzzing. With Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference 2025 kicking off, there's a lot of hype around what the tech giant has up its sleeve, especially in the world of artificial intelligence. So what's all the fuss about? First things first, the spotlight at today's event is squarely on AI, an area where Apple has been playing catch-up relative to titans like OpenAI and Microsoft. Industry analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggested that while AI is definitely in the limelight, don't expect any massive leaps forward this year. It seems Apple is aiming to meet market expectations by providing details on its AI integration roadmap across devices, rather than jaw-dropping innovations. Apple wants to show how AI will talk the talk and walk the walk across iPhones, iPads, Macs, and more. Think of this WWDC as Apple laying down its battle plan to infiltrate more and more of our daily tech use with AI enhancements. In the midst of this, Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives delivered his 2 cents, and they're serving as quite the catalyst for all this excitement. With Apple gearing to finally cash in on AI through what he coins Apple Intelligence, he forecasts this to be the beginning of a new era. Apple might team up officially with Alibaba as their AI partner in China, aiming for a huge slice of the smartphone market share pie there, especially with iPhone 17 just around the corner. Why should you care? Well, unlocking this AI potential is key to Apple's recipe for a flourishing next phase of device upgrades and their global market strategy, especially considering how this might set the stage for new partnerships and upgrades in the Chinese market. Now, while the WWDC has historically been a software-centric show, Kuo teases us with hints of possible hardware reveals too. A redesigned Mac Pro here, a HomePad smart display there. Apple could even give us its spin on the AI-pumped future of smart living. It's like a multi-course meal with both perennial favorites and potential surprise dishes. Meanwhile, over on social media, analyst Pierre Ferragu fired shots at Apple for its approach to AI. He basically said that Apple's take on reasoning models was akin to burying their heads in the sand. An interesting take given Apple's strategic hire of Google's ex-AI chief John Giannandrea back in the day, a move meant to bolster their AI game to Olympian levels. As always, Apple manages to keep things enigmatic yet fascinating. With expectations tempered yet hopeful, the WWDC 2025 showcases Apple setting the groundwork for future endeavors amidst fierce competition. Their quest to dominate in AI and continued innovation keeps us all guessing, anticipating, and ultimately partaking in the Apple affair. So, are we looking at just another developer conference or the starting playlist for Apple's audacious AI chronicles? Watch this space because Apple's game is far from over. Today, Microsoft made waves in the tech world with 2 noteworthy announcements that showcase its commitment to expanding its influence in both the SMB AI space and the burgeoning portable gaming sector. First up, Microsoft was highlighted as a key player in Pax 8's fresh move to usher small and medium-sized businesses into the era of managed intelligence. Pax 8 is revamping the MSP field by building a managed intelligence toolkit with direct integration of Microsoft's advanced AI solutions. This toolkit will soon be packed with Microsoft Copilot Studio, Azure AI Foundry, Model Context Protocol, and Entra Agent ID, transforming how MSPs serve their clients. The collaborative endeavor with Pax 8 represents a pivotal shift towards agentic automation, where AI and cloud technologies enable MSPs to offer strategic advisories and robust AI services to SMBs, allowing them to evolve into managed intelligence providers. Microsoft solutions empower these MSPs to move beyond merely managing infrastructure. They're now poised to enable transformative business outcomes for SMBs through digital automation and AI-driven growth strategies. Why is this significant? According to Microsoft's Alison West Hughes, small to medium-sized businesses are crucial to the global economy, and their adoption of AI is set to trigger the next wave of innovation. Through its partnership with Pax 8, Microsoft is laying the groundwork for a future where SMBs can flourish via intelligent digital solutions seamlessly provided by MSPs. Meanwhile, on the other end of the technological spectrum, Microsoft has unveiled a new entry in portable gaming hardware, the ROG Xbox Ally devices. Developed in collaboration with Asus, these handheld devices are designed to deliver a full-screen Xbox experience on the go. Whether through direct game access, content streaming, or cloud gaming, the ROG Xbox Ally aims to take Xbox's prowess beyond the living room and invite gamers to enjoy their favorite titles wherever they are. This announcement strategically positions Microsoft amid its contemporaries, especially following the recent debut of Nintendo's Switch 2. Microsoft seems to be making it clear that they're just as committed to leading the charge in portable gaming innovation. The ROG Xbox Ally isn't just about portability. It comes packed with unique features that seek to redefine the mobile gaming experience by ensuring that accessibility and gaming quality aren't treated as mutually exclusive. In both announcements, Microsoft's philosophy shines through: a dedication to broadening horizons and enhanced player and SMB experiences. Whether it's turning SMBs into agile, AI-powered entities ready for tomorrow's business challenges, or turning gamers into mobile adventurers, Microsoft is pushing the boundaries of what's possible by leveraging its technological arsenal in emerging markets. This potent combination of AI advancement and gaming revolution positions Microsoft as a pioneering force in today's tech landscape, one that's vested in accelerating innovation seamlessly while putting people, players, and businesses, large or small, at the heart of everything they do. Today's tech news takes a deep dive into the world of Intuit, the familiar maker of TurboTax, QuickBooks, and various accounting software we all know and begrudgingly love come tax season. Why is Intuit the talk of the stock market town? Let's break it down. First off, Intuit is coming in hot as a great momentum stock. If you're not quite sure what a momentum stock is, think of it like this. You hop on a roller coaster after it's already charging up the tracks, holding on with the hopes of riding even higher. That's what investors are doing with Intuit following its impressive track record and current trends. With a Zacks rank of number 1 and a momentum style score of B, Intuit is standout, ready for its close-up. Does Intuit deserve the limelight? Let's dig into the details. Over the past year, Intuit shares have skyrocketed, up 34.44%, which leaves the standard S&P 500's 13.46% in the dust. It's like comparing a Formula One racer to, well, a nice car. But the momentum doesn't stop there. The past quarter saw Intuit shares rise by 28.85%. That's a lot of cheddar for current investors. One reason for this hot streak is Intuit's impressive earnings estimate revisions. In recent months, analysts not only expected more from Intuit, but they upped their expectations with 11 estimates moving higher for the full year. Now that's confidence. For the future fiscal year, 10 upward revisions and no downward revisions mean analysts are keeping their pom-poms handy. But the real kicker? The delightful tale of compounding returns. Imagine if you'd invested $1,000 in Intuit 15 years ago. Right now, you'd be sitting on a cushy $2,955.95 thanks to a jaw-dropping average annual return of 22.29%. This magic of compounded returns becomes a significant factor for anyone serious about long-term investments. Intuit has outperformed the general market by about 10% annually over these years. The highlight in both articles boils down to Intuit's continued value as a top-notch investment filled with lucrative promises. So, here's a heads up. Keep an eye on this stock if you're looking for something steady to watch in your portfolio. Now, enough about my thoughts. It's your turn. What do you make of Intuit's recent momentum and past performance? Do you think this upward trend will continue, or are we looking at a dip on the horizon? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, your insights may just inspire others' next big investment move. Let's dive into Intuit, the maker of TurboTax and QuickBooks, for a moment. Given today's buzz, if you've already got a stake in Intuit, I'd recommend holding on to it. And here's why. Intuit is currently a standout momentum stock. Its shares have been significantly outperforming the broader market, rising a cool 34.44% over the past year, compared to the S&P 500's more modest 13.46%. That's like comparing the speed of a cheetah to that of a leisurely Sunday jogger. Not only that, but Intuit's impressive earnings revisions signal strong analyst confidence, with several upward revisions and no downward ones in sight. This positive momentum suggests that there's a good possibility of more growth down the line. Holding could mean riding the wave of sustained growth, fueled by solid earnings and the ongoing expansion of its financial software empire across households and businesses. However, anyone considering jumping onto the Intuit train should remember to do their own research. After all, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Definitely check in with your financial advisor and ensure that your investment aligns with your individual financial goals and risk tolerance before making any changes to your portfolio. Intuit's thriving, but don't just take my word for it. Stay savvy and informed on your own. Today was an exciting day in the tech market, with Apple, Microsoft, and Intuit taking center stage. Apple is diving deeper into AI at its Worldwide Developers Conference 2025, painting a roadmap for future innovations while teasing on hardware updates like the Mac Pro and HomePad Smart Display. Microsoft, on the other hand, is partnering with PAX 8 to drive AI into the SMB space and making waves in portable gaming with its new collaboration device with the ROG Xbox Ally. Meanwhile, Intuit's stocks soared on solid momentum, outperforming the S&P 500 and demonstrating investor confidence with upward earnings revisions. The tech landscape is shifting fast, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's recap. Subscribe if you're hungry for daily tech insights, and share this video with anyone else you think would love the lowdown on today's tech triumphs and trifles. Keep your eyes peeled for tomorrow's video, where we'll dive back into all the freshest news from the tech world. Until then, stay curious and keep teching out.